Can these 3 easy healthy home recipes be done in 30 minutes? Hot and sour vegetable soup in 10 minutes? Stir-fry veggie cashew nuts in 10 minutes? And a jelly sago melon dessert also in 10 minutes? Is microwave better than oil to cook? Let's find out! Everyone wants a fast home-cooked meals nowadays. Nobody wants to spend hours cooking meals because everyone wants more time to browse in their social media, whether it's TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook. Everyone also wants more time because they need to finish their 55-episode Chinese drama or watching the whole season of Walking Dead. Not forgetting playing their favorite cooking madness games, then chopping spinach in the kitchen. Hot and sour vegetable soup is not complete without crunchy, puffy glass noodles as garnish. Frying glass noodles in oil to puff them up is nothing new to us. We were curious enough to test 6 noodles to see which one puff up the best in this video. But too much oil is not a healthy choice. Today we are excited to try cooking these glass noodles using microwave instead. The problem with microwave though, the noodles do not puff up simultaneously. There will be parts of it that will not puff. And when we put the time too long, some of the parts started to burn. However, we only need this for garnishing. Break the uncooked parts off and these babies are good to go. I know this is not an experimental video, but since we are doing this, might as well test if microwave can puff up these two, prawn crackers and papadum. Short bursts of 10 seconds, then another at 5 seconds will give you a perfect cracker. Look at that! It worked! When we let it run 15 seconds straight, then we got burnt crackers. Oh no! However, take note, microwave crackers cannot compete with oil-cooked crackers. Watch our tasty homemade prawn crackers video if you are interested. Just look at the size of our oily friend. Now let's test the papadum. Hey, look at that! These papadums are edible but did not expand to its maximum limit. Our conclusion, oil is still the winner. Microwave crackers cannot compete with oil-cooked crackers.
Oil-fried, micro-fried.
Since we wanted to test if these 3 recipes can be made in 10 minutes, we will not be showing the cooking in sequence as we usually do. If it is confusing, then click our shorts video to watch this recipe cook progressively. Let's start the timer. First, we cook our sago pearls for our dessert recipe, sago pearl jelly with melon. We found adding sago pearls in hot boiling water will instantly cook the outer skin of the sago and help to keep the ball shape. When we add the sago pearls in normal water, then boiling it, the sago will dissolve and what we got is starchy soup. Sago pearls take some time to cook. While it is boiling away, we prepare the sauces for our vegetable dish and vegetable soup. All that has taken 5 minutes. Now we cut the vegetables for our soup. Cabbage, carrot, long beans and chili. Do not forget to peep on our sago pearls to see if they have turned completely translucent or not. Back to the soup. Fry garlic, onion and coriander. This hot and sour vegetable soup is similar to manchow soup. According to Wikipedia, place of origin is Kolkata, India. Pour the water, Then the sauce, let it simmer until the vegetables are tender. We have made this soup before, and since then, it's our favorite soup on our laziest day. Time to check on the time. 10 minutes. Let's keep going to the next step. On another pot, blanch snow peas and baby carrots in hot water. Drain and set aside. Fry cashew nuts in oil until brown. Drain and put aside. Leave behind some oil and fry the garlic. Pour in the stir-fry sauce and quickly pour onto the peas and carrots. Sprinkle the cashew nuts. Yum! Look at that! Our sago pearls are ready. It's now 19 minutes and counting. Pour some soya milk to the sago pearls so it will not stick together and become lumps. Scoop some melon balls. Slice the jelly of your choice. Pour the sago pearl milk on top and serve chilled or not. They look fantastic and awesome, right? Now scoop the hot vegetable soup. Bit of garlic chili oil. Not forgetting our crispy crunchy microwave glass noodles. It is 30 minutes and it's time to eat. Subscribe,
Share and comment. Thanks for watching.
This is good.